All right, everyone, let's see if we can do this in one take so I don't have to do any editing. But here's the mortar racks that I used last year, and they actually worked really well. Um, Much simpler to build than the ones you see, I would say professionals using built out of wood. These are basically just Costco bins with the expanding foam that you would use to fill air leaks around windows or doors or whatever, just something you get at Home Depot, the expanding foam. And I just set the tubes in there and then sprayed the foam around them. I did add some bricks to give them a little bit of weight so it didn't feel like they could tip over. And it worked really well. As you can see, here's one that was removed. As a matter of fact, it's pretty convenient that these, after the foam dries and everything, you can actually just pull the whole assembly right out of the box. And I guess you could use the box for something else, but I typically just store them. Well, I did store them for the year with them in the box. The only thing that I wish I could have done better was find a way to either find shorter tubes, or maybe I don't want to say I'd really cut the tops of the tubes off by a half inch maybe, but if I did that, the lids would actually fit all the way on, and you could just have them stored that way. But the lids fit fairly well. I mean, I can put them in the car and stack them and then be ready to go on site. I'll try to find some other videos, and if I do, I'll click the link to them actually being used last year.